Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make cheesecake. This is so delicious and yummy. Enjoy! First, we have to make graham crackers crust by beating it with a rolling pin, or just use a food processor to make crumbs like this. Transfer them to a bowl and put 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Quarter cup of granulated sugar. Mix them until they are well incorporated. Put the graham cracker crust in the 9-inch springform pan and pat them down to the sides until they are evenly distributed in the pan, in the bottom of the pan. Put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Boil a big pot of water. To make the cheesecake, we need 4.5 blocks of room temperature cream cheese. And 1.5 cups of sugar. With a pedal attachment, mix the cream cheese and the sugar until they are well incorporated and smooth and creamy. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl and the sides of the bowl so we make sure that they are well combined. Put the quarter cup of sour cream. Mix in the 6 room temperature eggs. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla. By this time, your graham crust is already cold and your water is already boiling. Wrap the sides of the pan with the 2 layers of aluminum foil. The secret for a creamy, firm texture of a cream cheese cake is the water bath. Make sure that the aluminum foil is not touching the sides of the pan to avoid the spilling of water in your cake batter. Pour the boiling water into the roasting pan, almost half of the size of the pan. Bake the cake in 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes without opening the door. Turn down your oven to 225 degrees and bake the cake for another 1 hour and 15 minutes. You will know that the cake is ready if you shake it and it wiggles in the center of the cake. This cake has been in the fridge for overnight to chill. In order to have a clean cut of the cake, soak your knife in the hot water, wipe it down with paper towel, and start cutting your cake. Clean it every time you're gonna cut the cake. Yum. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.